Everybody lies. AI marketing departments, especially. This voice is a neural network running on a laptop. So is the video you're watching. Total production cost $0 and about 4 minutes of compute. Welcome to the channel. Let me show you the factory. Step 1. A text-to-speech model called Piper turns the script into speech. Locally. No cloud. No subscription. No terms of service. Step 2. Every sentence is synthesized separately, so we know exactly how long each line takes, which means the subtitles sync themselves for free. Step 3. One script glues the voice, the slides, and the subtitles into the file you're watching right now. No editor, no render farm, no adult supervision. Rendering this entire video took about 4 minutes on a CPU, less time than reading a terms of service, which nobody does anyway. So, what happens on this channel? Free things. First, the diagnosis. We take a claim, like, can 8 GB of RAM run a real language model, and we test it until it confesses. Second, the autopsy. We take AI marketing, and we run the numbers it was hoping you wouldn't. Third, second opinion. We rate AI research papers so you don't have to. The data is usually more honest than the abstract. No hype, no $200 subscriptions, no face. Just engineering on hardware you already own. New videos, regularly. Subscribe if you want. The algorithm already knows whether you will. Let's diagnose this thing properly.